Your inner child is the emotional, sensitive, intuitive, playful part of you that was shaped by early experiences. When unhealed, this inner child carries wounds such as fear, abandonment, shame, or emotional neglect. What is mirror work? Mirror work is the practice of looking into your own eyes while speaking healing words, affirmations, or questions aloud. Why it works? The subconscious mind is deeply affected by eye contact, tone of voice, words spoken with emotion, visual repetition. When you look into your eyes, you bypass defense mechanisms and connect to your true emotional core, your inner child. How mirror work connects you to your inner child. When you stand in front of a mirror and soften your gaze, something magical happens. 1. Eye contact awakens emotional memory. Your eyes hold memories your mind has forgotten. Your inner child often speaks through a sudden emotion, tears, a sense of vulnerability, a memory surfacing, a tightness releasing. 2. Self-compassion softens old wounds. When you speak with kindness, your inner child hears it as, finally, someone is listening. 3. The mirror becomes a safe space. You learn to see yourself without judgment. You see not the adult self, but the wounded child behind the eyes. Step by step, inner child mirror work process. Step 1. Look into your eyes. Gently meet your own gaze. Don't fix your appearance. Just connect. Step 2. Breathe slowly. Take a few deep breaths to soften your body. Inhale safety. Exhale tension. Step 3. Allow feelings to surface. You may feel sadness, loneliness, love, fear. Don't run from it. Your inner child is speaking. Step 4. Talk to your inner child. Whisper words your younger self needed to hear. I see you. You are safe with me. You are loved. I am here for you now. These words can unlock deep emotional release. Step 5. Ask questions. Ask gently. What do you need from me? What are you afraid of? How can I make you feel safe? Answers may come as emotions, thoughts, a sense of knowing. Step 6. Reassure and comfort. Speak like a loving parent. I will protect you. I'll listen to you from now on. You are worthy of love. Step 7. Close with gratitude. Say, thank you for trusting me. We are healing together. This builds inner trust. Benefits of inner child mirror work. Deep emotional healing. Better self-worth. Increased self-love. Reduced anxiety. Stronger boundaries. This is not just healing. It is returning home to yourself. If this message touched your heart, make sure to subscribe and stay connected. We grow together. We heal together. And together, we rise and radiate. I'd love to hear from you. After doing this mirror work, how did your inner child feel? Did you feel seen? Did something soften? Did any emotions come up? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story may help someone else begin their healing journey too.